When Chromebooks first arrived over a decade ago, they were limited in what they could do and needed a web connection to do almost everything. Those days are long gone, and modern Chromebooks can do so much more, including work offline. Plus, Google regularly adds new features and updates security to keep you safe. We've tested every model on this list, and we regularly review new models from Lenovo, Acer, Asus, HP, Samsung, and others. All the Chromebooks on this list offer excellent performance and features for their price. The best overall Chromebook, the Acer Chromebook Plus 514. This 14-inch Chromebook Plus model delivers good performance and even better battery life, along with a respectably bright display with a matte finish to limit glare, and it has more storage than you typically find at its price. The model we reviewed lacked keyboard backlighting, which was a bit of a bummer, but Acer does sell models with a backlit keyboard that aren't that much more expensive. With its mix of features and performance for the price, it's easy to recommend the Acer Chromebook Plus 514 for school, work, or at home. Best Premium Chromebook, the Acer Chromebook Spin 714. Acer's premium 2-in-1 doesn't stray far from its predecessor in terms of what it offers: sturdy design, nice looking display, strong performance, and long battery life. The main changes are an updated 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, but Acer removed the Garage Pen for use on the touchscreen display. It still works with USI pens. Less expensive options are available, but if you want a Chromebook that'll last for years, this is it. Keep an eye out for a sale on this one too. It normally lists for around $700, but can often be found on sale for less than $600. The best Chromebook tablet 2-in-1, the Lenovo Duet Chromebook. The Lenovo Duet Chromebook, also known as Chromebook Duet 3, is an awesome little 11-inch Chrome OS tablet with a detachable keyboard and touchpad. Its small size and performance aren't ideal for full-time use. The Chromebook Duet 3 is a good pick if you're looking for an affordable, ultra-portable device to get some work done on the go, sketch, or jot down notes in class, or do simple stuff like email, web browsing, gaming, reading, and streaming video. We've reviewed the next-gen Chromebook Duet 11, but the Duet 3 is still perfectly fine and is heavily discounted for the holiday shopping season too.